Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm coming to you with an ad account which has some crazy CPM fluctuations. I want to show it to you, I want to tell you what I believe that is happening and you can tell me what you believe that is happening. So, long story short, before we go into my PC, I came into this ad account, they had 150 CPM, we're going to see the exact numbers in a bit, they were just doing broad targeting, which I found stupid. So whenever I just want to lower the CPM, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if it's the problem of the targeting or if it's a problem of creative. The creatives were showing not so good also, but I took the best creatives and I started implementing stack lookalikes and interests in order for me to be able to see where's the problem, if the problem is on the targeting or it's on the creative. And then I have seen crazy fluctuations CPM, we're going to watch it together. The point is that this ad account became profitable now for the owners, they're getting sales. It's a very high ticket item of $1,500 first sale and $3,000 lifetime value. And from time to time the ads are just dying. It doesn't have a lot of sales, of course. It's not like we are flooding the system with data. We do spend 3K per day, which is 100K per month, but still maybe we have to increase the budget. All of this situation over here, the CPMs going up to 150 and then go to 5. All of these crazy things are things that I want to share with you and tell you what I believe about it. I have a very stupid theory of what happened here, but maybe I'm completely wrong. Who knows? Let's go to my PC and let's find out. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. Okay guys, so I came to this account around here. So yeah, I came around here, which was the 23rd of May. Before that, in this ad account, as you can see, we were having these CPMs here. This is on March, running 98, 83, 122, 159 CPMs. The thing that I never understood with this ad account is that, okay, you're getting this kind of CPM. The client is telling you that I don't like the CPMs, I don't like all of that. And you do nothing about it. You just ignore them and you just do broad targeting and advanced plus. That's my main beef with people just following one thing because it's the only thing that they know to do, they know how to do. So you just do advanced plus and that's it. If something is not working, there is no other solution. Over here I said that, okay, maybe this is your CPM, I don't know. But in order for us to know, we need to test also broad targeting, we need to test CBOs with interest, we need to test also CBOs with dynamic. Here, I'm starting my first test, and as you can see, I'm running, let's see, you cannot see the name, but I can see. So here it's an interest testing for United States. I'm getting again high CPM. Here is another interest with Canada. I'm getting very low CPM, which means that, okay, let's focus a little bit on Canada. Let's see what's happening there. But over here also, it's not only that I'm getting better ROAS. Yeah, so I'm getting 1,200 cost per purchase, which is actually very good comparing to the results that they were getting. They never had these numbers, I think. Yeah, they never had these numbers. So I'm getting this, and I'm getting, I believe, a little bit of lower CPM from what they're getting. Okay, and then we're coming here, we have another interest campaign, which I'm trying to run and see if I can get good results. And then comes the right good part. I'm starting doing lookalikes, okay? And in the lookalikes, I'm actually getting 28 CPM in the United States. I'm getting 2.3, but I'm getting 11 sales, so I do get some. And then I'm doing broad targeting on CBO instead of doing over here. This is a broad targeting, and I'm getting 26 now on broad targeting CBO. Of course, I'm doing some segmentation on the audience based on what has worked and all of that. And then I'm trying again with relaunches, other interests, other lookalikes. I'm getting lower CPM, I'm getting higher CPM over here. I used some other creatives that they didn't work well. And now in the last period, I'm actually getting 25, this is a retargeting, okay? And 13 and 7, I'm getting, this is lookalike. So we do understand that lookalikes now give us the lowest CPM, and my not my problem, but what I'm noticing in this ad account is that the more I'm focusing on lookalikes, the more the CPM is dropping also on interest and on broad and stuff. Now, let me tell you that since I came, these are not so profitable right now, but these are, okay? This one, this one, this one. These ones I launch them and I close them. The lifetime value of the customers here is 3K. So we do make some money over here, and some of course do continue. Now, again, they were getting very bad results, but they were getting also very bad traffic. Another thing that I noticed over here, and I want to show you, is this. Let's go on the last 7 days in order to understand. Okay, let's compare a little bit the CPM that we're getting. So the CPM that we're getting over here on the 24th, on this one is 210, it's very high. And let's see the amount of people that we are reaching with that, okay? The spend of the campaign is 1K, okay? So we just reached in 1 day, 1K people, okay? And of course we have a very big click-through rate. Now, if we go to the other ads that they're just having much lower CPM, let's see what's happening here. So if we go on the last 7 days here, we can see that by just spending the same amount of money, look how many people we are reaching, okay? So because this one is 13, instead of spending with a CPM of $210, now we have a CPM of 13. I'm just going to put it here next to it so that you can see it. Let me take the CPM and just put it next to it. In that way. Now, the CPM over here is 13, so we do reach 263K people, and 463, this is a spend of 2K, this is a spend of 1K per day. What I'm trying to say is that when we had very bad CPM over here with 23 on the 23rd, we were just reaching, with all of the campaigns combined, 29K, and now it's just reaching 200K people, okay, just in 1 day. Let me see again if I'm correct. Yeah. So that it is 100K people here with the CPM of 6, 250K people here. Let's go 1 day back. 57, 161. You can see that we are reaching so many people now that the CPM is lower. And of course, what we can see here is the CTR. The CTR over here is actually dropping. Why? Because instead of targeting 5K people, now we target 57K people. So the CTR is going to drop. The percentage of the people that are actually going to click is going to be less because we are reaching more people. Now, I would be worried if I wasn't going to have any sales over here, but I do have sales, which means that yes, I'm getting much more traffic, which is not junk traffic. These are not traffic ads anyway, they are conversion ads. So the thing that I'm noticing here, and the theory that I have basically in order to just tell you what I believe that happened here, is that I believe that for a long period they were running ads with dynamic shopping campaigns, advanced plus shopping campaigns. And what happened is that after starting running lookalikes and some interest, basically we unclogged maybe the pixel and the targeting because we showed with some better direction who are the people that are interested on that. So now even on the broad targeting we have better CPMs. And I'm talking about a very big difference. I'm talking about going from 150 CPM to this kind of CPMs and actually also getting results at the same time, not just getting lower CPMs and zero results. We do get results. Another thing which actually improved, it was the cost per unique click. So these are the same creatives that I use over here, the best creatives that they were on the ad account. And the cost per unique click went to 4.8, which is still not okay, for sure. But it was 9, it was 10 while they were running ads. And over here, of course, the click-through rate dropped for the reasons that I told you earlier. And of course, we do have some sales. On this day, it was a super profitable day. As you can see, 1.6K per action, and some crazy rows because it's 1,500 for each one of them. That's my experience with this ad account. That's how I managed to make it profitable. Right now, it is probably based on what the owner is telling to me. Of course, these are not all the sales that they're having more sales. Now we're focusing a little bit more on this over here, which is fixing a little bit the checkout, because if we see just this month alone, we do have 392 and 31 purchases. They have 0 systems for following up these leads. This is a high ticket thing, so I convinced them to go through the process of having sales calls or emails or other things that are going to convince people to buy the service. And I think that if we also serve all of these checkouts, most probably we will be able to have more sales, because sometimes in these high ticket items, some people just need some extra information in order to convert, and when you give them by phone or by mail, they are just actually converting. So here I believe that we are losing money on the checkout process based on the, I'm not going to say that it's not okay because it's a high ticket item, but I do believe that if we don't serve any of these checkouts over here, we're just leaving money on the table. Anyway, that's the situation with this crazy account in terms of CPMs. You can see also that in the last 7 days, they are just really low, which doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'm getting these low checkouts for these low CPMs for ad accounts that they are having extremely trained pixels in specific niches. A crazy big CPM problem only being fixed just because I did more targeting, crazy method, stacked lookalikes. I did crazy method broad targeting then. I did more interest. I tried to give some direction to the pixel. I think that the pixel picked up and just understood that it's not only the broad that it doesn't know how to target people, but it got unclogged maybe and just started targeting more people. And based on that, now we do have profitable campaigns once again for the ad account, in another account that everybody thought, the agency that was running it and the owner, that this is another account that it cannot actually be profitable. That's all I had for you. That's a unique story on its own. Super abnormal ad account, which actually proved to me also that the CPM is being influenced a lot by the creative and not only the targeting. So it's not always about, discussing CB optimization and all of that. When we see something interesting, we have to discuss it. Let me know what you think about it. And guys, don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, my mentorship programs, and below that you can find the reviews of the people that have been part of the Chosen 5 and stuff. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.